Vice President Atiku Abubakar has insisted that President Bola Tinubu's economic policies and approach to governance were killing Nigerians. He said the president should focus on solving these problems rather than attacking the opposition which is not in the saddle. Atiku, in a statement by his Special Assistant on Public Communication, Frank Shaibu, in Abuja, spoke in response to an earlier statement issued by the presidency. The presidency's statement, which was issued on Sunday, 10th of November 2024, stated that Atiku's criticisms of Tinubu's policies were driven by jealousy. Atiku said, on July 8, 2024, Tinubu announced that import duty on essential goods like food will be lifted for 150 days. But over 120 days later, the policy is yet to take off, while Nigerians continue to die daily due to increasing costs, including food inflation, which now exceed 40%, the highest in decades. Sadly, rather than focus on governance, they are preoccupied with verbally assaulting their opponents, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, while using compromised courts to foster crisis in the opposition. What a shame. Atiku argued that Tinubu's performance in the last 18 months had made it clear to all Nigerians that he came into the office unprepared. He said, Tinubu was unprepared for office. He act first and think of the consequences afterwards. This was why he announced an abrupt removal of petrol subsidy without any cushions. After seeing the effect, he then hurriedly decided to push a CNG initiative, which even he and his ministers have not embraced, hence their refusal to use it. Atiku further described the announcement by the military authorities on the emergence of a new terror organization known as Lakaruwa as unfortunate. He argued that coupled with the incessant grid collapses in the north due to activities of criminal elements, Tinubu ought to focus more on improving security, which is sine qua non for investment. He said, the president had decided to play politics with security by appointing his kinsmen in top security and economic positions. Atiku advised Tinubu to make hay while the sun shines, as Nigerians had grown tired of his administration. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.